Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is the Supreme hand warmer. This one is the red color for 38 bucks plus $10 shipping. And then sales tax is $4.20. So total for this one is $52.20. Got this on the Black Friday drop. So let's go ahead and get this started. So like always, it comes with this Supreme shopping bag or gift bag. It's kind of wrinkled, but anyway, let's go ahead and see what's in here. So I got two of this Supreme sticker, box logo sticker, very nice. Let's go ahead and get this, open it up. Well, first of all, I want to show you guys the sticker. Make sure you have this sticker. It says hand warmer, and then fall winter 18, A as in apple 18. This one is the red color, and OS, and then this is the barcode. All right, make sure you guys inspect that if you guys are buying from like a third party or a reseller. Or else most likely it will be a fake one, okay? And there is your Cordura brand fabric label, durable, versatile, and then reliable. So this is your, I guess you wear this around your neck. It's an adjustable strap, okay? And mainly I believe this is for like a football player. Or maybe you use for other sports, soccer, you know, to keep you warm. There's like a Velcro here. So it's like a little tiny slit to put, you know, like maybe wallet or something. And inside there is like a mesh material. Let me turn on the light later on so you can see it. And this is what it looks like on the back. It is kind of plain. It feels like nylon material. And then here is your, oh my god. Here is your label. Make sure you have the two of this label. Impossible, made possible. And then, so it's Polartec. And then you got the Cordura brand fabric right there as well. So you got this nice fleece material, very soft to keep you warm. And this is your adjustable. You can quick release it. Just put my hands in there and test it out. So you actually go through, okay? I thought it would be like an individual separate packet in the middle. And there's like a lining right here with the stitching. I can feel the lining. Maybe I can try to flip it out. Well, no. Well, as you can see the line where the stitch at. stitchings at. That's where they folded. You can see like a darker line on this side and this. That's on both sides. Nope, only on one side. And this is your Supreme right here. Very nice. So let's go ahead and then turn on the flash so I can show you the inner pocket. So yeah, just a mesh. So I don't think this is 3M reflective, so show you guys the label real quick. So this one is kind of like a shiny tag. All right, and this is the second label is Polartec 200 series. So I guess the inner material is Polartec 200 series fleece. Alright, thank you for watching, and please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. See if you can cover any of this and then how to work and everything. And I'll see you guys on the next video, like always. Peace.